Sir, my learned friend Mr. Sridhar Babu was saying that we do not want to suspend them. We want to give them an opportunity. So the question arises that the biggest responsibility is that the House should be in order. So there has been precedent, sir. Whenever there had been some agitation by any opposition party, the Honorable Speaker, adjourns the House. He calls them in his office. He meets them. Government treasury benches people are there. Opposition is there. Political parties are there. Leaders of all parties. And we try to resolve the issue and bring the House in order. But here, sir, I do not see such initiatives. Why is the government not at least calling them for a meeting, sitting across where you are there, sir, sitting in your chambers, asking them what is that you are agitating for, what is the issue that you want, and then you can ask the government, are you willing to give them that chance? If they say no, then okay, fine, sir. But nothing as such is happening. Sir, yesterday also, appropriation bill, sir, we prepared and we came. They were agitating, they have the right to agitate. Government has the right, they can take whatever decision they want. But we lost our opportunity, sir. We couldn't speak. Now today also, sir, important, like just now Honorable CM Sahab has announced about the judgment which has come. We want to give our view. And also, I know that the major opposition also wants to welcome the judgment. But they are not being given an opportunity. Sir, either the government needs to adjourn the House, call for a meeting and try to resolve the issue, या नहीं तो आप ये इनकी वजह से आप हमारे हक को नहीं छीन सकते और आपकी वजह से आप हमारे हक को नहीं छीन सकते. आप दोनों का जो भी झगड़ा है करिए साहब, बड़े पार्टी है, बड़े लोग हैं आप लोग, मगर हम जैसे छोटे पार्टियों का हक क्यों ले रहे हैं सर? Sir, we have the right. Sir, I might be sounding very harsh, but the government has to have the courage to either listen to them, give them the mic, or if not, they should have the courage to suspend them. You cannot run the House like this, sir.